Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a seafood boil. Okay. Whatever. And we have Damedash's butter sauce. Yes, it just came in the mail today and I could not wait. And my husband has his on his side. We're ready to dig in, but because I don't want to have to stop and show you guys my outfit of the day, I'm gonna do it right now. Check out my outfit of the day.
Yes, man, do it early, car, you know what I mean? Better for eat. Yeah.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it.
We're back.
Okay guys, so we are excited to eat this delicious seafood boil and I hope you liked my outfit of the day. We have the famous Damedash's butter sauce, as you can see. Yes, it came in the mail today and I couldn't wait. And my husband has his on the side. And honey, if you want to start eating, you can. And let me know how you think the sauce tastes, like your first time trying it. I heated it on the stove in the container.
You want me to tell you how it tastes?
Yeah.
Or you want to taste it first?
It tastes, how it tastes?
Bad man,
It
sauce.
tastes bad.
Sauce, turn up, man.
It came in a glass container, and there's 3 ways you can heat it up. You can heat it up in the microwave, just take off the lid. You can heat it up on the stove, in the container, in a bath of water. Or you can heat it up, just pour it in a pot and heat it up that way. I heated it up in the container. And I'm excited to try it. So you say it tastes good, honey?
Yeah, I think bad man. You waiting by all the beer to eat some too.
That is so good. No,
Nice.
I'm not gonna lie. That is really good, honey.
Where did it?
Potato.
They don't sell beard bib.
They need mukbang bibs.
No, man. I push on the beard. The beard get that way. That's right, tell you. Guys,
So
I'm not talking to her.
let me tell you.
I'm not talking to her. Tell them I'm not talking to you.
Wait. So we have shrimp, snow crab, mussels, corn, potato, and egg, and sausage. Family,
Tell them something else.
you know something? I don't know why I'm not chat to me.
Y'all want to know? 'Cause y'all know I like venting to y'all. Y'all know that. Want me tell them? You know, so me tell them that.
Go ahead, because that's none of my business. What is sausage? Oh, this sausage.
Sauce is nice. Sweet. You know that. I like
So why you not talking to me, honey? Honey, I don't like when you don't talk to me.
May you not chat. We just eat your food. But we not chat.
So you can't eat my food then?
May I eat the food, but may you not chat. Family.
I'm trying an egg with it.
30 nowadays just today. And I'm just eating. First lady not dealing with me good. Watch that. Speak Spanish in the chat.
That's not true.
But I had to come eat her food though.
That's not true. We were indecisive of what to make today. But the sauce came today, so I wanted to make some seafood because I was going to make some ackee and sawfish for one of the subscribers that requested it. So I'm going to make that tomorrow.
Is want me to say you chat too much?
So,
Tell you later. I heard potatoes are mine.
doesn't matter. The onions in here is still nice and
Yeah,
crispy.
yeah, you see, right?
Yeah.
I thought I was the only one that's saying that.
So, I said to my husband, since the sauce came today, I really want to do a seafood boil.
Yeah, man, she couldn't wait.
And he said, okay. Could I find mussel?
She muscle, yeah. Yeah, muscle, what kind of more muscle you want? Muscle my jiwa, so me start go and gym.
You're full of chat today, boy.
Better eat now. Something nice.
You still mad at me or you okay now?
I'm good now. We good.
Okay.
We good, okay? You feed me now. Feed me, man. So how's everybody doing, family? Another day on the grind. Yeah, man.
Okay. I have one con about this sauce.
Tell me.
I should have ordered more. I should have ordered at least 2 to 3 bottles of this.
Two things.
And it's so simple. Because it's already prepared. All you're doing is heating it up. You know?
I ain't gonna lie. Nice, man. And it's sweet. What's that?
Snow crab, that's enough.
Snow crab, it like snow crab. Can I live in that snow? That's like that snow crab. I go find it if we live in that snow.
Oh. Oh, sorry.
Wow.
I was pushing the food down.
You nice?
Your man eating so fast.
Relax.
I get relaxed.
No, don't even bother say it.
If I relax next to you, I don't get no food.
Liar, tell. Liar.
Guys, if you have not tried this sauce, I promise you, you will love it. And you could even add some 2 times spicy sauce to this as well to make it spicy.
Oh, you didn't give me some of my pickle pepper, man.
I'll pick a pepper.
I agree.
You want some?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we do it.
That's great. Don't what?
Don't play with her. Alright.
But the good thing is that even if you add some of that sauce, it still has a good flavor.
No, it still got a flavor in it. You mean, you want to try it? Oh, my play you eat pepper like that.
We love pepper, but we don't like hot sauce.
Hot sauce, yeah. You know what I mean.
Oh no, I know.
I feel better now, First Lady. You made my day. Thanks. Lucky say you cook.
Dinner would have been done, but
It's all good. We always switch up what we gonna do. That's just one thing with us.
yeah.
If we say we're gonna do one thing, it's the next thing. You know what I'm saying?
I went to 4 stores looking for mussels. What's going on with mussels?
Everybody had to mukbang.
It feels like it, and there was no corn.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
The last store I went to had corn. I was like, oh my gosh. Because it wasn't planned.
I like this boil way too.
Yeah.
The boil way. Good. You know what I'm saying?
I like it too.
Like it? I know, man. Eat seafood, man. I have to start with a baby now. Nah.
Guys, food is so good.
Come like a year potato in there, you know.
It's okay.
My people say they're off your food.
Eat whatever you want. Because I want you to be mad at me.
I'm not mad again. Yo, First Lady. This beard, son, and this.
If you just take your time, you know.
Get my time. Cheapest water bottle. Courtesy of Walmart.
The link is in the description.
Here we go again. Where is the link is in the description?
The link is in the description for the cheapest water bottle. Because we're not on the contract yet.
We don't have a contract.
We don't have no contract yet for the
Cheapest
coldest water bottle.
Yep, you do the same. Courtesy of Walmart. Yeah, man. For real.
You know what it tastes like? It's hard to describe, but it has a sweetness to it.
It's sweet.
And then like at the back of your throat, it has a spiciness to it.
And nice.
And I love the fact that the onions are still crispy. How he got that, how he was able to do that is crazy.
I mean, I've done every bit of sauce. If I have to go drink the sauce, I drink it. You know what? Not serious.
Thumbnail.
Yo, you know something? Love the thumbnail, let me know. love the thumbnail. Let me know, yo, I miss the thumbnail, man. The thumbnail, because you want to take all that for yourself. Yo, it's like a tangy taste.
Tangy,
Yeah. You got the sauce here.
The sauce is hitting. Ooh, that came right out. Look at that.
Let me taste it.
You have your one.
Yes, so you get so much of me. It's your one piece you give me.
I have one piece too.
3 pieces you have.
Stop watching my food, man. Chill. You see, I'm coughing.
Corona, you know what you say? You know my corona, you know.
If I have it, you have it.
Agreed, man. Drink some of my juice.
What?
You see, you get a special glass today too. You see me set you up. Family, she drinking out of glass today. She feeling herself today. Glass, juice and ice on the rocks. My papa, your chin. I get a special treatment, man. Yeah. I ain't mad at you again. You want a piece of sausage? Take a piece of sausage. Come, no say like my sausage.
What do you mean? Mine, you know?
Rosé. You don't want this, come to eat this. Where the egg at? How much egg you give me?
You can have this egg. And more.
You want corn? You can have my corn. I need corn.
This egg.
Switch.
I have a corn right here, baby.
Really?
If you don't want more corn, man, have it to It's a me love corn.
Yeah, corn did, man. The sauce is nice. It got a tangy taste. What you got?
You? But you don't say me love sausage.
Buy sausage. Come on. Inside joke, Tom.
That ain't no inside joke.
They would have never hear unless you bring it up.
Whatever. So what did you guys do on the weekend? Oh, really?
Stop lying. I know you're lying.
No, she's telling the truth.
Nah, she's lying about that one. No.
Honey, she's telling the truth.
Really? You can't go to the movie because movies is locked.
She went to the movies in her house.
Oh.
A movie night. That's such a say. Right? See?
Yeah, they tricked me.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh.
Ooh,
I know it's a movie lock.
I don't know when they're going to even open up theaters and if people will go. Comment below if they open up the theaters if you will go right now.
Or comment below what's open in your areas. Because they want one. I know it's a fast food store them open, you know.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, buy the things on.
The sauce that's inside of it is really good.
Oh. Inside of what?
And the juice that's in the crab leg, it's really good.
Family, I got a next story for y'all, but I'm not gonna give it to y'all today.
What story you have for them, honey?
You wish to, let me tell them.
Oh, come here.
Can't tell them. They chat too much. Go ahead. I got a next story for
You
y'all.
can't tell me?
Chat too much, man. Can't tell them, you can't keep no young. Yeah, man. I'm gonna tell about the story where we go fishing and But yeah, I got some story. I got a lot of story about me and her. What?
Some story times.
Later on, down in the, you know? I got them for you. Nice, tingy. Decent. You know the sausage?
I'm so glad that the
sauce come.
Yeah. It's really good.
Go for my snow crab now. A long time I don't see snow, so I have to eat that when you cast snow is. Nice, no?
So how was your day at work, honey? You got a good day at work?
You just say I can't chat, but now I say nothing to you. I can't chat, alright?
Yes.
I ain't gonna talk no more. Let me eat.
That's gonna be a challenge. Challenge!
Alright. I bet y'all can come on here and don't talk.
Not today though. Today I got to talk today.
Work was long and hot. Hot and hot.
You had a hot day.
Hot pa hot. You know tell them, say, go and work and make some money, because I'm broke. You know, I'm a broke man.
You're damn right.
Family.
I ain't ashamed.
She told me she don't want a broke man.
You need to go to work.
I need to go to work. I'm
gonna do overtime.
But she said me to go to work, but she didn't want me to come do videos. That makes sense?
Yeah, because I go to work and do videos. So why you can't do it? Right?
I gotta go do it, family. She said she want a broke guy, so I gotta go work. You remember I used to pay you to stay home?
Oh yeah.
Who in the comment section, guys, that used to pay their wife to stay home?
That's so funny. Oh my god.
Tell her.
And let me tell you something. He's done this recently. At least like the last year.
Yeah.
He's still 18 years. And he still does that. When I used to work at this call center.
That's a story. That's a story. Give them the story.
Give them the story.
Give them the story.
My youth, I can't give them the story, my youth.
Go and chat and go and eat.
Yeah. So, he would say to me, "Oh, I want to go to the mall today," or "I mean, you go to the movies," or "Let's go have lunch."
Yeah.
I'm like, "I can't. I gotta go to work." And he's like, "What time you gotta go to work?" And I'm like, 12 o'clock. And he was like, just call out. I'm like, "I can't call out. I need my money." He said, "Well, how much do you make for the day?" I calculated. And you know, so I tax him. I said, I make like $150 for the day. And at that time, I was like 21 years old. So he's like, "Okay, I'll pay you." So he gave me the $150, and then I stay home. So then I get paid for the day. Listen, you gotta do what you gotta do. I can't call out and then I can't pay my bills, because at that time, was I 21? I was 20 actually.
Right now you can't do it again.
No, it was 21. Because it doesn't. It didn't matter where I worked or how long we was together. He still did it, even to this day. If he's like, "Oh, I don't want you to go to work today," I'm like, "Well, you gotta pay me." And he's like, "All right, I'm gonna give you, the money for it." That makes sense? Because his money is my money and my money is his money. But still, it's just the concept of him saying, "I'll pay you for that." Family,
I can't do it no more. I'm broke.
You forgot to work. You come on Mukbang and be a chat. Yeah, I do.
Yo, family, man, we got some story, man. We had some good times, some fun time too. Make you laugh.
For real.
We gonna let y'all know. We gonna trust me. When I tell a story, it's gonna be 4 parts, five parts. It's coming like a diary.
No, it's not.
Yeah. Yo. Good. My sauce coming down to the wire now.
You can get all of the
Coming out around with the sauce, man.
You see? Get all the meat out.
You eat shrimp?
Yeah.
Just eating that shrimp.
I'm like, eat shrimp, my youth. I ate shrimp, honey. Every time he asks me if I ate something, it's because he want to make sure I ate it so he can finish it. That's all. Don't let him trick you.
Yeah, I know I don't do that.
Don't let him trick you.
Let me see if you know me. What she just said is true?
It's true. You heard the person? They said it's true.
It's true. Can read somebody comment them a true man. It's the way I was to watch your plate.
Oh man, this stuff is so good.
Again, thank y'all guys. We appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? Truly appreciate y'all.
This is messy. We really do. We're almost at 500 subscribers.
Yeah.
And the next goal is going to be 1,000.
Reach 1,000, that's where we're going to start breaking them story time. Alright?
Yep. So if you want to hear those stories, get us to 1,000 subscribers.
I got some good stories. Some story going to be like this. What did he say? What? You going to rewind the flip.
The flip?
You know when you're watching something and then the part's so good, you want to hear it over again? Family, that's what y'all going to do.
I do it all
They
the
said,
time.
no, this guy crazy. They crazy.
Mm.
You know what I'm saying? What it is?
His sauce is very different than B Love sauce. Very different, but very good. That's so crazy. And I think he only uses like 8 ingredients. He doesn't use a lot of ingredients.
Yeah?
Guys, I don't know what to say.
Food good. You did good today.
Yeah, you have to when you eating somebody's sauce or eating a sauce period, when you're having a dipping sauce,
Yeah.
if everything is already seasoned too
You
much,
You want to taste it?
you want to taste it.
I taste it though. It's good.
I was surprised when he said it was on sale, and I grabbed it. I went and I bought it right away. And about 20 minutes later, I said, let me check this to see if it's there.
Yeah.
If they still have more, it was sold out.
Don't forget, go in the description. 2 envy Shanice. What is called? The cheapest water bottle.
The cheapest water bottle.
Courtesy of? Alright. We don't need them bigger water bottle. Isn't it, Tom? Yeah.
Ooh.
Get a water bottle here. Not true?
Yes, babes. Yes, babes.
Enough money.
My son's don't know.
Yes,
She'll buy 2 bottles.
I have to buy 2 bottles. But she'll give 1 free. How long you wait for your sauce?
For real.
Free, she'll give 1.
I ordered this sauce when we was in New York.
Yeah, that's sauce from last year. And you just come.
It's until I put in my sauce.
China, that's sauce I come from.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Me not buy that. You mad?
So it takes a long while you're trying to buy it from man. Wow.
This sauce it gets everywhere.
Yeah, you can't eat seafood without getting messy. Oh, I love me the beer to blood now.
Especially with a sauce. If we didn't have a sauce, it wouldn't be messy, but it wouldn't be so good.
It wouldn't be so good. You know, so I done every bit of sauce.
Oh,
I can't eat that when it's a lock, right?
Yeah, that's right. It didn't open up.
And now I'm the one you're from me, the one you lock.
Yeah,
the one you will sick me. Come like Aki.
That's true.
I'm the one there. You're the one that never call ambulance for me. Oh, wow. Excuse me.
Want a shrimp?
I didn't care what you cook today as long as it's something to eat.
I know.
I don't know what you talk about, you don't cook this and cook that. As long as I food, you know. You see me?
But I want you to be happy with it because...
It don't matter whatever, I'm happy with anything you cook. You hear me complain with anything you cook?
Yes? No.
I don't complain for nothing you cook.
But you know, sometimes, I remember as a kid, my mom would cook something and I'd be like, And it was good, so my mom is a good cook, but I'd be like, I don't feel like eating that.
Yeah.
I just want a bowl of cereal, or I just want some pasta.
Yeah.
You know? So sometimes, even though I might feel like eating something, you may not necessarily feel like eating that. So that's why I asked you, like, hey, I feel like making a seafood. And you're like, you know what? That sounds good. If you say, not today.
I don't care. I don't understand. I don't comprehend. I don't comprehend. I don't care what. If I'm a student and you chat too much, you know. Yo, you know, so you can chat. Trust me.
2 sodas and gone.
Yo.
That was my mouth. 2 sodas and gone. You know some sauce? Sauce
Yeah, subscriber. Yeah, subscriber. Random nobody say I need to go on a soda, a water challenge.
Who said that?
Random number, you don't do me like that. You say you do me like that, now you make you tell me all my business.
Go on, water challenge for real.
Big up yourself, big up everybody. Who's what I'm gonna say? Let me see y'all come on, man. Shit me hide, you know.
What?
You taste for me, man. Well, you give me sauce for it. I didn't need no more sauce.
No.
I'm done.
I'm gonna put it in the middle because it was like empty on this side.
Oh.
Family, look at this. You done this sauce now?
Yeah, sauce head, man.
It's so good.
Wow.
Beer clapping me, I'm clapping now. But you can't not clap.
King crab night, man.
No crab.
No crab night, but king crab. Yes, Father.
I want to eat some blue crabs one day. Like have a whole bunch of blue crabs. Blue crabs. Stop, Sasha.
Go catch them.
We used to catch crabs.
We still got here?
Oh, yeah, catch crabs.
When you talk about that, when you say about the crab, when you call the store. Remember when you call the store, man, you call it Bravo.
Oh, too much story times in my
No, enough story can't. We have to see them story them and tell them.
You will see them story then. That one funny as I don't know what.
Man tell by himself, you know?
Yeah, man. Let's save it.
That's it, that one.
We'll tell you guys that one tomorrow.
Yeah, tell them about that story tomorrow.
That story is simple, but it's funny.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and leave a. I said comment already.
Yes, say it again because.
And leave a comment. If you reach this far,
Subscribe.
give a thumbs up. You know. Okay.
I can't believe I'm still eating.
Even if you don't like it, still give us a thumbs up. The same. Yes, man. There we go.
I'm full.
Finito.
Look, I'm full and the food done.
If we're done, you eat enough today and you have more than me today, no?
It's the perfect time to be full.
Yeah. You eat a lot today.
You think so?
I had to rush.
But stop trying to use my line. Follow fashion.
I had to rush. First lady, you go, I'm good today with the seafood, man.
Oh, man.
Come like you love seafood.
Oh! I am stuffed.
Yo.
What's your crap on my legs?
I'm tired, you know?
I know, you had a long day at work today.
And my day not even my week not even started to hell. That's rotted. Okay, it's all good.
You'll be fine, my love.
Gotta go get that cash, son. Gotta get that bag. Go on, Tom.
I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Catch you tomorrow. Not the same time. Catch you tomorrow, though. Bye.